Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In this purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to find out what that is. You can do that by using the link in the description, trying out as many numbers as you like, and when you think you've got an answer, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's begin with a 0. Okay, 0 gives us 1/2. Let's try a 1. Oh, and that gives us some decimal. How about a 2? And we've got another decimal that does look like a curve, not a straight line. Let's try a 3. Oh, and 3 is close to negative 1/2. Let's try a 4. Is this going to go up again? I'm starting to think trig. Yeah. And 5. And I'm going to put in something close to 2 pi, so I'm going to put in 6.2. All right. Okay, so I think this is a trig function. Let's just check the negative side too to make sure that the pattern is continuing. Yeah, this looks right. And let's put in a negative approximation of pi, so 3.1415. And that is, yeah, basically at negative 1/2. Okay, so this looks like one of the trig functions. So let's review those trig functions again. And this looks like either sine or cosine. And remember, we're measuring this angle, and that angle is the input, and the output is the x and the y coordinates of where that angle touches the circle on a unit circle. So the biggest it can be is 1, and the smallest is -1, and cosine is x and sine is y. So at 0, it's at 1/2, which looks like the biggest it can be. At 0, what's the biggest it can be is cosine. So I think this is the cosine function, except that it's squished. This should go up to 1 and down to -1, but it goes up to only 1/2, and the lowest it gets here is -1/2. So I think we have a multiplier here, and the multiplier is 1/2. So again, we had a problem like this a few days ago where we had 2 times the sign, and it made the sine wave, but just bigger, going up to +2 down to -2, and it was the multiplier was 2 times the sign. Here it only goes to 1/2 and -1/2, so it's 1/2 as the multiplier times the cosine of x. So I think that is our function. Let's see if we got that right. And there it is, 1/2 cosine of x, and we can graph that as well. Very shallow wave function of the cosine. Quite beautiful. All right, well, how did that go for you? Did you figure out this was the cosine? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.